I'm gonna go on and take your hair out.
Oh gosh.
So I'm Tiffany. Hi.
Hello.
I have a lot of hair.
Yes, I've probably had a little bit of hair loss. It's stopped now.
So, what are you thinking?
What I've always been trying to get, a brighter blonde
Okay.
with a cool undertone as opposed to
Okay.
warm. Now, may not be possible. I think
Okay.
I have a lot of red in my hair,
Okay.
but that's what I want. And I think you saw my inspo.
I did. Very blonde, pretty.
With
What are-
cool.
With cool tones.
Yeah.
So this can be cool.
Okay.
The problem and where you're probably falling into is that your gray gets covered. And it's really, I don't want to use the word impossible. That's a crap word. Hard because your gray is going to pull warm when you cover it with color. However, here's the great part. If we do a tight foil, we can actually kind of minimize that. However, the only thing is if you're going every other time, you're coming in one time and you're doing a highlight and a color, and then the next time you're just doing a color. In those times where you're just doing the color, you are gonna feel warmer. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what about length?
I've had a lot of extensions in the past.
Okay.
Done the tapes. The tapes never worked for me because of my texture. They constantly slipped. But I noticed your tape ends are much larger.
They are. What are you thinking about length? Like if in your mind, where do you feel like would be a good length for you?
Maybe.
Okay.
Here.
When you had them in, did you like the look and feel of having that fullness and length?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I would love my hair to be really thick down here as well.
Okay.
I've never managed to get it that way.
Would you be open to having it about here and volume?
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited. I don't want to tell you anything else because if I do, then it ruins it.
I've seen many videos and
Oh, good.
just, yeah, the transformations are incredible.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. It's going to be great. We're going to have a really good time. This is going to be a great, transformation for you. Start to some really awesome things in your life. And I'm really excited for that for you. We'll get going. We'll get moving. I'll shut my yap and we'll start working.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
This will be great. She doesn't want any warmth. And she has gray. So I'll put some 8-9 in there. 9-1. Or 9. Ugh. I don't know what I have. Let me see. Oh, okay. So we have a 9N. Oh, that was wet. It dribbled right down my leg. The underlying tones of the 8U, I think that's ash violet. 30% violet, 60% blue. 8UAI, a quarter of this. Get it out of the box. It will come. Yeah, it will come. Okay, so 8UAI, perfect. 8U neutral. We're gonna do 9 neutral. It's called Smart Developer. Dude, it makes you smarter. Every time I've used it, I've been like, damn, I am smarter today than I was yesterday. And for the extensions, we're gonna go for Legally Blonde. Okay. That's where she wants to be. Because underlying tone of brown or black is red. She keeps falling into that warmth, and we can get it as much as we possibly can. Overfoiling in that top area, and I typically down here, I do like more of like a feathery to give it that nice blend, so that way when she puts her hair up, you know what I mean? And as her hair grows out, she's not sitting there going like, oh, I have that, you know. It's probably just a...
I open?
You can...
Wow.
What do you think?
Love it.
You like it? Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me cry.
I love it. Thank you.
I just haven't done anything for myself in a long time.
Oh, well, today's your day. It's absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
I did 100 grams of tape wefts right in here.
Wow.
That's legally blonde. Isn't that
That's
beautiful?
amazing.